Culinary innovations are reshaping the way we prepare and enjoy food, blending traditional cooking techniques with cutting-edge food science. This fusion enhances not only the flavors we experience but also the nutritional value of what we consume. By understanding the science behind cooking processes, chefs and home cooks can unlock new dimensions in food preparation, resulting in dishes that are not only delicious but also healthier and more appealing. One significant area of culinary innovation is molecular gastronomy, which involves using scientific principles to manipulate food textures and flavors at a molecular level. Techniques such as spherification, emulsification, and sous vide are examples of this approach. Spherification allows liquid ingredients to be encapsulated within a gel-like sphere, creating an exciting burst of flavor when consumed. Emulsification combines two liquids that typically don't mix, like oil and water, resulting in stable sauces and dressings. Sous vide, which means under vacuum, involves cooking food in a sealed bag at low temperatures for longer periods, preserving moisture and enhancing taste. Another remarkable development is the use of technology in culinary practices. Digital cooking devices, such as pressure cookers and smart ovens, have revolutionized the kitchen by automating various cooking processes. These innovations not only save time but also reduce the room for error in cooking. With the ability to program precise temperatures and times, home cooks can achieve consistent results that were once only possible in professional kitchens. Additionally, apps and platforms dedicated to meal planning and recipe sharing have made it easier than ever for individuals to explore diverse cuisines and cooking techniques from the comfort of their own homes. Food science also plays a critical role in addressing modern dietary needs. Innovations in plant-based and alternative proteins, for instance, have opened up new avenues for those seeking healthier or more sustainable food options. Companies are now developing lab-grown meats and plant-based alternatives that mimic the taste and texture of traditional meats while being more environmentally friendly. This approach not only caters to the growing demand for vegan and vegetarian diets but also helps reduce the ecological footprint associated with meat production. In conclusion, the intersection of cooking techniques and food science is giving rise to culinary innovations that enhance our dining experiences and transform our approach to food. From molecular gastronomy to technological advancements and sustainable food options, the future of cooking is bound to be exciting. As we continue to embrace these changes, we can look forward to a gastronomic journey filled with creativity, health, and sustainability. Empowered with knowledge and new techniques, both chefs and home cooks can reimagine the way we prepare and enjoy meals, leading to a delicious and nutritious future.